Good day, everybody. Welcome once again. On this video, we are going to look at places that you can get free market data and plug it into your agent, and then use it to actually feed the information that you need the agent to process, and then the agent will now process those information. And then it's not just going to be your data that the free market data you're going to maybe plug in. You might have other maybe news data, other PDF data that you want to actually like query in conjunction with the market data, and then use it to actually get a meaningful value from the market data that your agent is actually like looking at. So in actually getting the data real time is always going to give you a put you ahead of so many people that are actually working with market and value agents, and then getting information and then allowing the agent to make a simple and then concrete analyzation for you. So the first place that we're going to actually like look at is Pandas Data Reader. Pandas Data Reader actually like provide you with a pair of different stock market value data, and then you can easily like just install it, and then do some analysis and then plug in maybe the symbol or the initial of the data or the stock market data that you're trying to pull, and it's just going to pull the data. And then if you go through the documentation, you can see how you can actually like put date, analyze the data and then put date to it, and see how you can actually like work with it. So the next one we're going to look at is this interactive broker Python API. So this actually like give you as also a real time broker information and hedge fund information about what is happening in the market. So I'm going to leave the link to all of them below, so you can actually like go through it and then see the one that works best for you. I think this is a very nice one. So the next one we are going to look at is this Alpha Vintage. Alpha Vintage provide a stock market data API for quantitative research. So you can easily like just maybe put a date to it, like okay, I want data information of Tesla from 2011 to 2023. So you can actually like pull those data, give it to your agent, and be asking the agent question from those data, and then be getting meaningful information from them. And this is just an API plugin, so you can easily plug and play. So the next one is this Nacast data link. This is a very popular one. Most people actually use it, so you can easily just maybe just go through the documentation and then see how you can sign up and then get the API, and then just use it and then plug it into your agent, and then set the date parameters that you need. Maybe you are looking for a stock of this value, and then I want you to actually like use the data of this particular aspect and then give me a concrete evidence of what I'm looking for. Another one that you can actually get free data from is this Polygon.io. It's a modernized Wall Street one market at a time. So this actually like you can easily just create and get an API, and then you can view the documentation and see how you can actually use it. I think they already have a snippet of how you can actually work with their REST API, and then you can actually see you can set the this is I think this is the symbol, and then this is the day that you're actually looking at, and you want to actually pull the information from this AAPL. I don't know what this initial stands for, and you can actually pull the data of this and then just supply it to your agent, and then maybe pull other news data, other of your information data to it, and then allow it to actually do some querying for you. So the next one that is actually another free data aspect is this trader actually provide you with real-time and basic buying and selling equities and some other trading informations, so you can actually like look at it. They already have a crawl URL that you can actually post, and then they also requires an API. So I think you need to sign up and then get the API and then see how it works best for you. And then this one is an Apache py. This is just like another Python library that you can actually like use. I say this is introduction, and then you also provide broker market data and trading data. So this actually like give you information of like maybe the market data and so many things, and how you can actually like plug it in into your agent, and then allow the agent to actually like make prediction, and then you as a human being, machine cannot actually make a managerial decision. So when it makes those predictions, so it's not less for you to actually like look into it and then make the final decision. So the next one is this FinHub Stack API. So you can easily sign up and then you can actually see the stock movement. I think this one actually have a kind of a broad analyzation. They have up to 30 years historical data. So you can actually like pull data just using the API, pull like 20 years, 10 years historical data, and then supply it to your agent, and then other data that you have, you combine it and then fit it into your agent, and then be asking the agent question, and then it will be returning, build your rag, and then make everything to work perfectly. So I think this FinHub is another one, is a good one. And so now we now have this market stack. Market stack, they have the free API and then they also have their paid aspect. And so the free end of the day stock data from 17 1700,000 stickers and then around the world. So they actually provide you like maybe the stickers movement and then how the day market was moving and so many other information that you can get. So going through the documentation, you can actually like see how it fits your objective and see how you can work with it. I think it's a very very good market and free data that you can actually plug in into your agent. So the next one is Tingo. Tingo, a reliable enterprise grade financial market API. So it's actually another plug and play. So you can actually like just go to the API, see what they offer. If they're actually offering something that you want to actually like plug into your API, into your agent, into your agent, and then process the data, fix the data so that it can actually like be meaningful, or you can actually even pull all the data and then fit it into your agent and then see. And one good thing about all this is that it's just something that is working in real time. So you always, an agent actually supplies information to the capacity of the data that is being supplied to it. So an agent cannot actually like supply an information without those data being available to it. So when you are getting the data in real time and then supplying it to your agent is going to be something that is going to be awesome. I mean, it's going to do awesome work for you and making prediction and answering the right questions for you. Then the next one is 12 data, 12 data, financial data that drive your success. So it is also provide you with stock information, the stock movement of the day, and then so you can actually like use it to actually like train your agent and then get information and the real time. This one also have a crypto asset, so you can actually like be getting information and then be using it to actually like train your agent, ask your agent question in real time, and then it's going to provide it for you. Because most of the agents that you might build might not have websites capability. I don't know if all of them, like maybe some APIs in ChatGPT does not have website capability now. I think they already started releasing it, but not all of them have website capability. So if you already have this, and then you can actually like just get the API, plug it in, and then see how you can fit the data that is coming through the API and now make it to work for you. And if another good thing is if you are working with an open source LLM key, like maybe you're working with DeepSeek and maybe you have set it up at home and then you want to actually like be feeding it with real time data. This could be a very very good thing. Maybe you have already like downloaded it and then fit it using Lambda setup and then set it up for yourself, and then you are now supplying it with real time um market data and then be making prediction and then be asking it real time question that is going to be supplying it to you. So I think all this is actually a good way to actually get free data and then work with it. And the final one is the popular one, why finance. I didn't actually like look for the API of this and maybe, but actually once you just maybe check out how you can use it, you can actually see some results on the Google search. So this is Geek for Geek. So this is what I actually, maybe when I was actually looking for how to reference it, it was Geek for Geek that popped up. I said this is a good idea to actually show it. This is the most popular finance data API plug and play that you can actually get out there. Most of us actually started with this, so you can actually just pull this and then use pip install the Y Finance and then be pulling data from it. set a specific date range data that you want to pull, and it's just going to work for you. So in the reason why this video I'm actually doing this video is to actually share it to you that you can actually get real-time data just by doing a plug and play API and then using it to actually train your agent. So all these resources are very, very key, and I advise you to actually go through some of them, their API, and then see how you can actually work with it and see the one that works best for you, and then use it for free. The ones that are free and the ones that are paid, you know how you can actually use the API and then make sure that you're not going below the hit limit so that you'll not be asked to pay for the API. So you can actually like try it out and see the one that works best for you. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button, click the like and share button, and then I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you once again, and God bless you.